Hello Internet, I'm going to take your feedback on my first holiday sausage dip video and make a second version. In the second version, I'm going to use half cream cheese, half Velveeta. We are going to start by browning our classic Jimmy Dean hot sausage. You don't have to use the hot stuff. Jimmy Dean makes a whole bunch of different kinds. You are going to start by browning the sausage like so. I had an onion I need to get rid of. So dice the onion. We're going to add that to the sausage. One of the reasons that I like Jimmy Dean sausage is there's not a lot of grease that you have to drain. Okay, so just added my onion. I'm going to saute that. I got some real stuff. I'm going to chop it up for you. All right, my onions are translucent, so I'm going to add in my chopped garlic. I know I like using the mint stuff out of the jar, but there ain't nothing like fresh garlic. My telltale sign of when your onions and garlic are done is when somebody could walk in from another room and they say, "Oh, goddamn, what you got cooking?" Next, you're going to want to add a can of Rotel. I used original for the first batch. You don't have to drain it. You were going to want the liquid to thin that thick-ass sauce. The second can I got was mild to switch it up. Like, please don't make fun of me because I can't eat spicy stuff. I have IBS. When you stir it together, it looks like this. Next, you are going to add a block of cream cheese. You can cut it into little chunks, but tonight I didn't have the fucking energy. So, boom. All right, the key ingredient in this recipe is a block of Velveeta. Normally I do 2 chunks of cream cheese, but we are going to do 1 cream cheese and 1 Velveeta. Alright, so this is what the cheeses looks like as you are melting them and incorporating them into the sausage and rotel. Alright, both cheeses are melted and incorporated. For a little bit of extra spice, you can add crushed red pepper. I can't add a lot because of my tum-tum, but this is still going to be yummy. This is how to make the stovetop recipe. If you are traveling to a party, you can definitely make it in a crock pot. I guarantee everybody at the party will thank you. My family loves this for get-togethers, holidays, like literally any excuse to eat sausage dip. If you follow me, you will know that I like to grow things and I like to be fancy. So this is my green onion. I'm going to give a haircut to and top the top of this dip with. This is my altered sausage dip. It is super yummy to bring to a party or to eat at your house by yourself or your significant other, which is what I will be doing tonight.